Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Sunday. This is Darlene. Sitting here making some bracelets real quick, trying to get something done before my day actually gets started outside of the house. And I'm using some of these Howlett turquoise. So I'm gonna make a couple of these and see what I can actually get done before I do my little workout and then do my Bible lesson at 8 o'clock. And then after that, of course, is showering and getting dressed and then getting up out of here so I can go to worship service. And after worship service today, we have fellowship singing. And fellowship singing takes place at one of the sister congregations here in the city. So that usually starts around 2:30, and we go from 2:30 until, I want to say, 2:30 till 4 o'clock. So from 2:30 until 4 o'clock. And then after that, I generally have worship service at 5 o'clock. This is cute right here. So the congregation, the sister congregation where the singing fellowship is going to be at today, it's close enough to my house where I can come home after singing fellowship and probably grab me a bite to eat real quick and then run back out and go to evening service at 5 o'clock. And then after that, guess what? Who knows? I might end up back at home, and then I might end up going out, somewhere, depending on, invitation, or if somebody want to do something, go somewhere or hang out or socialize or something. It just depends. You never know what the Lord got planned for you. So I'm just gonna make, in fact, this is just gonna be a 2 bracelet set. Something simple and easy. For this bracelet, I'm using a 1mm cord, and I don't like to be using too heavy of beads for the 1mm cord, because it seems like it's just got thin. So I'll just use some of these thinner, not thinner, but smaller beads. Look, I still got all these beads. Look at that. I don't know why I don't be using these beads. Because I was sitting here thinking I wanted to ease out and go to Michael's and see what they got. See if they got some different beads in stock. And I still might stop by there like after morning service. I should have about maybe an hour and a half worth of time to do something with. So I do think with that I'm gonna probably ease over to Michael's and then see see what they got in stock. I haven't been to any of the stores in a minute, other than I think it was like last week I had to go get some cord or something. But other than that, I haven't been buying beads, because when you look here on the table, you can see it's all kind of stuff. So, and then I'm thinking I might want to put some charms on here too. I'll see. We'll see. Let's see what we do. But I do like the way that looks so far with the leather cord knotted as the focal point on here. And it does make it masculine like this. So I think I'm going to use maybe some smaller beads, just like smaller beads. 6mm, 8mm. See what we get. And then we'll mix these beads all up. Just put different beads on here. Different color beads. I think not. I don't see a hole. I see sometimes I could just press something through it and yeah, and that piece came out. So it gave me the hole. bunch of little small ones. See what we get. We got some different colors in here. I think a lot of you guys be calling this bead soup when you just got where you just got a bunch of the beads all mixed up and you just use them. Oh yeah, I like the way that looks so far. It's a bunch of small beads. You can see how cool that looks so far. And then, let's see what else we got here on the table. Find another little small howley bead, like maybe this one. Let's see if this one will lay right on here. Yep, that one lays good. And sometimes I don't like to use these beads because the way that they are, they make the bracelet. And this one might, I don't like the way it looks. So you see how awkward it looks. This bead right here. So I'm going to take that one off. Look, I got a little Buddha head right here. Let's put this one on here. See if we got a hole in it. Really? Okay, there we go. And that whole little piece was in there. Look at that. You can see that. I dropped it, but that's what was plugging up the hole. Use that Buddha head on there. And then we'll go ahead and just keep surrounding it with beads. I think it's going to be hot today, so I think the outfit that I picked out to wear today, it might be a little bit too warm for today, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to switch my little outfit up. I love wearing me some black. I don't know why I just love wearing black, like just black. I was looking in my closet last night. It's like, ooh, darling, your whole closet. I got a lot of different colors and stuff for clothing, but for some reason I just like to wear black. I think because it's easy. It's a very easy color. It doesn't get dirty fast. Well, it doesn't appear to get dirty fast, like stains. And because I notice when I do wear brights, I always get something on it, like something always end up on it. And I'm like, okay, well, where did this come from? I didn't even do anything. Where did the stain come from? It's something. So I'm like, okay, I'm not doing all that. And I think with black, shoot, if you get a stain on there, you don't even know the stain is on there. And that's probably why I like wearing black right there. Probably exactly why I like wearing black. So what I'm doing, I'm just kind of throwing these little different beads on here. Just to see what we get. Something, I got beads all over here on the table, so I'm just kind of grabbing some. And let's see, this is cute. I'm going to put a couple more beads on there. I really like the different colors, like how that is. That'll look really nice. I'll probably wear this today. I like the way this one looks. I am going to wear this today. I'll put a couple more beads on here. This will look really nice on my wrist. So you know what that means. I'm wearing some black. That's what that means. I like the way that looks. It's really cute. And I got a couple bangles. I actually made me a couple of, I wish I had them in here, but I made me a couple of bangles out of the 16 gauge wire. I made 2 bangles. What happened is I had caught myself making some hoop earrings. and I didn't like the way they came out, so I just went ahead and closed the ends of it. I sized it to where I can slide it over my hand and wear it as a bangle. So I closed the ends off like really nice and tucked and that type of thing. And they wear well. I made two of them, and I wear them mixed with my other bracelets. It just look like, like gold bangles. Nobody would ever know unless I told them. All right, I like the way this looks. I'm gonna pull that not too tight. I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it. I like to tie it a lot of times, tie the knot a lot of times, and I like to tie it enough to where I have. You see how the knot is starting to form? I like to tie it enough to where a knot forms and I can tuck it inside the bead and it fits snugly inside the bead. That lessens the chance of the cord coming out. Coming out or coming loose because it's snug inside, like it's fitly, like it's fitting in there nicely. Nice and snug. I'm gonna just keep tying this a couple more times and you can see that knot, how it formed. I think you can see it right there. And I'm going to take that whole knot and tuck it inside the bead. I'm going to tie this a little bit more though. And then I'm going to cut the extra off. And you can see that big old nice knot, and it'll fit nice and snug inside of that bead. And then that lessens the chance of it coming out because it's fitting inside the bead. So then I'm going to do just a two-piece set. I'm going to probably wear this today. This is really pretty. So this is what I'm going to wear these today. And then I got those two gold bangles. So I'm going to put those two gold bangles on with this one. And I got one other bracelet I'm going to put on this side. And because my blouse is long sleeve black cotton, like really, it's thin, and it's like a, what they call them necks. It's a deep cut neck. It's a deep cut neck, and it's really long, and I can wear it as a oversized blouse or like a dress. So I got the long sleeves, and then I'm gonna put some bracelets on this side too. So I have bracelets on both sides, and then it'll have bracelets and bracelets. And then I usually just wear some hoop earrings and put my little hoop earrings on. And I might pin my hair up. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I really do like these. These look masculine in a way. If I put charms on them, that would make them look feminine. But I like them just like this. This set is gonna be mine. I'm wearing this today because I like it so much, and it looks like it'll go well with my outfit. So this is one of those really big turquoise halo beads. And I got more of these. I've been having these for a minute. I just haven't used them. And I really like the way it came out. Put some of the hex nuts on here too. So, and I think I got these either off of Amazon or Joann's. I'm not sure where I got these from. I had these for a minute. And then we got this one. This one looks really pretty too. I really like this one, especially with the little leather knot right here. So this is a nice little two-piece set. I will definitely be wearing today. And I like it. I like it. I think I'm going to make a couple more the turquoise bracelets to actually sell. Anyway, Darlene Knight for Jerry by BDK. I hope everybody have a really good Sunday. You get out and get some of that sun and breathe some of that air, and just enjoy the day for what it is. It's a day that the Lord had made, and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. I think that's a problem many times. Ain't nobody rejoicing and ain't nobody glad in these days, right? And we have no idea when our time on earth is going to expire. That's the amazing thing to me. How people are. People are messy. People are short. People are disrespectful, people are rude, people are many things. And then there's people that are nice, people that are pleasant, people that are very open and joyous and all that good stuff. And for me, I try to be the best I can as far as being joyous and happy and thankful and grateful and all those type of things. And I try to carry that energy with me anywhere and everywhere that I go. Just trying to be the best human being that I could be on this time side of life. Is it easy sometimes? No, no, because how people are. People sometimes try to test you. They try to, I don't know what they be trying to do, but you know how people are. People are people. People gonna always be people, and that's the thing with that is we just can only regulate ourselves with the help of the Holy Spirit, and that's all there is. There ain't no more. Just try to be the best that we could be on this time side of life. That's all there is. There ain't no more, right? Anyway, it's gonna be a beautiful day. We claiming that right now. It's gonna be an absolutely amazingly beautiful day. Because the Lord had blessed us with it. We were able to wake up this morning, do what we want to do with the day, as long as it doesn't offend the Lord, and that's all there is. And we'll talk.